What's going on, everyone? Chris Jarzyk, your Southwest Florida Realtor with MVP Realty, coming to you from Oak Creek, a Del Webb 55 plus community here in North Fort Myers, Florida. For today's video, you're going to be taking a look at the Mystique. The Mystique is 1,889 square feet. It is 2 to 4 bedrooms, 2.5 to 3.5 baths with a 2-car garage. I'm going to put some music on, let you guys take the tour, and I will check back in with you when the video is over. Welcome back, everyone. Thank you for checking out the video of the Mystique model here at Oak Creek, a Del Webb 55 and up community. If you have any questions about the Mystique model or Oak Creek community itself, feel free to click the link in the description box below, or you can reach out to me by phone. My number is 239-823-1685. Thanks for checking out the video one more time, and I'll see you on the next one.